Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about something very exciting: greenhouses. These structures are not only fascinating to look at, but they also serve an important purpose in our world. Greenhouses are designed to provide an optimal environment for plants to grow, regardless of external weather conditions. They're used for everything from research to commercial agriculture, and they come in all shapes and sizes. So without further ado, let's dive into our list of the top 10 greenhouses in the world. Number 10, the Eden Project, Cornwall, England. We're starting our list with one of the most famous greenhouses in the world, the Eden Project in Cornwall, England. This massive complex features two biomes, one containing plants from tropical regions and the other featuring those from Mediterranean regions. The structure is made up of hundreds of hexagonal panels, which give it a futuristic appearance. Not only is the Eden Project an incredible feat of engineering, but it's also home to some of the rarest plants in the world. Number 9, Gardens by the Bay, Singapore. Next up, we have the Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. This incredible greenhouse complex features three massive structures, each one over 100 feet tall. The gardens are designed to showcase the best of Singapore's flora and fauna, and they also house the world's largest indoor waterfall. The Gardens by the Bay is a must-see destination for anyone interested in greenhouses. Number 8, Royal Greenhouses of Laeken, Brussels, Belgium. The Royal Greenhouses of Laeken in Brussels, Belgium are another must-see destination for anyone interested in greenhouses. These incredible structures were built in the late 19th century for King Leopold II, and they feature an incredible array of rare and exotic plants. The greenhouses are open to the public for a few weeks each year, so make sure to plan your visit accordingly. Number 7, City of Dreams Hotel, Macau, China. The City of Dreams Hotel in Macau, China is home to the world's largest and tallest greenhouse. The structure is over 430 feet tall and features over 100,000 plants. The greenhouse is designed to provide a natural setting for guests to relax in, and it also features a stunning waterfall. The City of Dreams Hotel is an incredible feat of engineering and a must-see destination for anyone visiting Macau. Number 6, Montreal Botanical Garden, Montreal, Canada. The Montreal Botanical Garden in Montreal, Canada is home to one of the largest greenhouses in the world. The structure features 10 different greenhouses, each one showcasing a different ecosystem. Visitors can enjoy everything from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. The Montreal Botanical Garden is a fantastic destination for anyone interested in plants and ecosystems. Number 5, Biosphere 2, Oracle, Arizona. Biosphere 2 in Oracle, Arizona is one of the most unique greenhouses in the world. This massive structure was built in the 1980s as an experiment in self-sustaining ecosystems. The greenhouse features several different ecosystems, including a tropical rainforest and a desert. The Biosphere 2 is an incredible example of what can be achieved with sustainable technology. Number 4, Flower Dome, Singapore. The Flower Dome in Singapore is the largest greenhouse in the world. This incredible structure features over 3 acres of glass, and it's home to over 32,000 plants from around the world. The dome is designed to simulate a Mediterranean climate, making it a perfect place to escape the heat and humidity of Singapore. The Flower Dome is a must-see destination for anyone visiting Singapore. Number 3, Kew Gardens, London, England. Kew Gardens in London, England is home to several different greenhouses, including the Palm House and the Princess of Wales Conservatory. The Palm House is one of the most iconic structures in Kew Gardens, featuring a distinctive curved shape and towering palm trees. The Princess of Wales Conservatory, on the other hand, showcases a variety of different plant species, including cacti and orchids. Kew Gardens is a fantastic destination for anyone interested in botany or horticulture. Number 2, Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. The Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens in Pittsburgh, USA is a stunning example of sustainable design. The conservatory features several different greenhouses, each one showcasing a different ecosystem. The structure is designed to be energy efficient with features like rainwater collection systems and geothermal heating. The Phipps Conservatory is a fantastic destination for anyone interested in sustainability and green design. And number 1, Desert Botanical Garden. Last but not least, we have the Desert Botanical Garden in Phoenix, USA. This incredible greenhouse complex features over 50,000 plants from the world's deserts, including the Soaring Desert. The garden is designed to showcase the beauty and diversity of desert ecosystems, and it's a fantastic destination for anyone interested in ecology or plant biology.